How to create an LLC for foreigners. This video contains affiliate links and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned at no extra cost to you because they're the best in the industry. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're not a US citizen or resident but you want to start an online business, sell on Amazon, trade crypto, or work with US based clients, you can absolutely do it. And the best way is to form a US LLC even as a foreigner. So, creating an LLC in the United States gives you legal credibility, access to Stripe and PayPal limited liability protection, and the ability to operate in the world's largest economy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to form a US LLC from outside the US and how to do it easy way using Busy, which is a platform that helps foreigners create LLC with no SSN and no legal confusion. So click the link in the description to start your US LLC with busy.com. It's 100% free. You only pay the state fee and they handle the rest for you. So the question is, why foreigners use US LLC? So the answer is to access to US payments gateways like Stripe, PayPal, and US banks, legal protection for digital agencies, e-commerce, SaaS, and freelancers, trust and credibility when working with American clients, no US citizenship or SSN required. Even if you live in India, Bangladesh, the UK, or the Middle East, you can form a US LLC 100% online. So head over to busy.com and you're going to choose your state. Most foreigners choose Wyoming or Delaware for their business friendly laws and low fees. So pick the one that suits your goals. Busy will guide you. Name your LLC, describe your business, and choose your management structure. As a non resident, you're legally required to have a US based registered agent. So, Busy has a really good offer. They give you one for free for the first year, so you are covered. And if you want to act as your own registered agent, obviously you can do that too. And then you're going to head over to EIN. So you need this to open a US bank account or get Stripe. Busy applies for your EIN on your behalf, even if you don't have a social security number or ITIN. If you don't want Busy to obtain it, you can simply select that option as well. So simply type in your credit card credentials and simply review everything and you're good to go. Don't forget, new LLCs must file a BOI, that is Beneficial Ownership Information Report. So this report tells the US government who owns the business. Busy sends reminders and helps you file it so you don't miss the deadline. If you wish to, create a BOI report as well, the link is in the description. So why use Busy if you're a foreign founder? There is no US address or SSN needed, free LLC formation, EIN filing handle for non-residents, BOI compliance reminders, and over 1 million businesses formed with Busy. Whether you're starting an Amazon FBA store or a remote agency or SaaS app, Busy makes US LLC formation simple. If you're ready to form a US LLC as a foreigner, click the link in the description and get started with Busy today. So that's the end of today's guide. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.